accessible to everyone? Most price? Is it affordable based on the wide variety of food? Kung marami bang selections and masarap ba yung pagkain? Is the ambience? Is it Taal overlooking? Friendly ba yung inyong restaurant na kakain? Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Eat, Pray, Love, Travel. And since we always feature Tagaytay food vlogs, most especially breakfast buffet, maraming nagtatanong sa comment section kung ano nga ba ang best breakfast buffet restaurant here in Tagaytay. So, we will give you our top 5 best breakfast buffet choices based on the following. First is the location. So, is it accessible to everyone, most especially mga nagko-commute and may sasakyan? So, meaning to say, yung parking is also a big consideration to that. And then next is the price. Is it affordable based on the wide variety of food? Third is the food. Kung marami bang selections and masarap ba yung pagkain? And then fourth is the ambience. Is it Taal overlooking and not so crowded? Fifth is the staff. Are the staffs friendly and accommodating? And of course, pet friendly ba yung inyong restaurant na kakainan? Please take note that this is purely based on our personal experience. Let's start off with Sonia's Secret Garden. Sonia's Garden is located in Barangay Bac Estate, Alfonso, Cavite. So coming from Tagaytay na Sugbo Road, you will enter Bac Estate on the right side. Then straight ahead, and then the nasa left area is already Sonia's Garden. So they are open from Mondays to Sundays. So every day yan ang kanilang breakfast buffet from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. They also have panaderia. It's a bakery where you can buy breads, salad dressings, and pasalubongs for your loved ones. This is their breakfast buffet area, not overlooking Taal, but very huge and classy setup. So it is ideal for weddings and special events. The price of their breakfast buffet is 950 per person. Their menu is corned beef, chicken and pork adobo, daing na bangus, beef tapa, of course garlic rice, cheese omelette, and ang kanilang pinakasikat na fresh garden salad with edible flowers. They also have pandesal and other breads with different selections of jam. They also have champorado with danggit and ang kanilang cereal. They also provide hot chocolate, coffee, or tea, plus yung kanilang mga juice. If you opt to have a healthy breakfast meal, of course, number one choice natin ang Sonia's Garden kasi lahat ng pagkain fresh from the garden. And, syempre, hindi na question ang pet-friendly ba ito or hindi kasi obviously si Miss Sonia is a pet lover at talagang dito lang umiikot yung kanilang mga alagang aso. What we can say about their breakfast buffet, it's not really a huge variety, pero lahat quality. Like yung daing na bangus, sobrang taba. Usually may makikita ka ng mga breakfast buffet na yung daing na bangus nila. Sobrang nipis lang. Ito talagang healthy yung kanilang daing na bangus. Plus lahat ng mga fruits, veggies, and all sobrang healthy and lahat alam mong homemade. Sonia's Garden also have this boutique called the Apothecary na nagbebenta sila ng mga organic handmade products like yung mga soaps, ointments, and balms, scented spray, oil, shampoo, and a lot more. Of course, since isa sila sa mga sikat dito sa Tagaytay Alfonso ng mga farm-to-table restaurants, ito pinakita rin nila na dito nila pinapa-cultivate ang kanilang organic veggies, herbs, and edible flowers. So overall, Sonia's Garden, if you are a farm-to-table enthusiast, is a must-try. Location is okay. Price is quite okay, 950 pesos. Food, hindi ganun karami, pero lahat healthy at alam natin na talagang fresh. Ambience is really okay, though it's not really an overlooking area. Pero yung kanilang setup is really a very alfresco type of setup. And then yung mga tao is really pleasing. Plus, of course, pet-friendly talaga siya. Another one on our list is Escala Tagaytay. The location of Escala, Tagaytay, is along the highway of Tagaytay na Subu Road. Coming from Rotonda, it is situated at the left side after Robinson's Supermarket. The price of their breakfast buffet is 900 pesos and they are open from Mondays to Sundays at 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. They also accept walk-ins kahit hindi ka naka-check-in sa kanilang hotel. Congee, egg drop soup, and champagne. This is the entire breakfast area. They also have wide variety of food here, most especially mga Filipino food. Beef tapa, adobo, hot dog, bratwurst, pork tocino, tinapa and tawilis, cooked ham, bacon, mushroom and asparagus, veggie, hash brown, and baked beans. That's of course the view. This is actually one of the best overlooking area or breakfast area na nagustuhan namin. We actually went here twice or thrice after covering this breakfast buffet video namin. Highly recommended for the ambience kasi very relaxing while eating your breakfast and titingin-tingin ka lang sa view. Breakfast buffet also includes their juices, and then they also have listaho and yung kanilang mga fresh fruits and salads. So, we're going to try the food now. Sobrang ganda ng view. Tapos, ang daming food choices. Sobrang okay. Dami na pinuntahan naming buffet. Dito lang may tinapa. And tawilis. No?
Mm-hmm.
Yung iba wala. So far, ang ganda na so.
Mm-hmm.
Very private.
Ang ganda ng view mo, like, when you're eating here, pakita namin sa inyo na nakikita namin.
So overall, for Escala Breakfast Buffet,
Ayan
the
ang view
location
mo.
is along the highway, so very accessible. Price is mas cheaper as compared to others kasi 900 pesos siya. Food is marami namang variety and more on Filipino food talaga. Of course, ang ating ambience, hindi matatawaran. So, we choose this for the ambience na number one siya sa ambience. People or yung mga staffs are very friendly and accommodating. Kung meron kang order, dadali nila na lang sa table mo yung pagkain. You don't have to go back there. And yun nga lang, hindi siya pet friendly for now. So, sa ambience, ito ang number one namin, Escala.
Ano yata yung number one sa ano namin? Listahan.
Next on our list is Balay Dako. Balay Dako is located along Tagaytay na Nasugbu Road, corner Magallanes Drive, and it is open only on weekends and holidays. So they open at 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. pero sobrang haba ng queuing dito, so you really have to arrive as early as 5:30 a.m. para makakuha kayo ng number. This is actually our second time to try queuing dahil yung unang attempt namin is dumating kami actually around 6 a.m. or 6:30 a.m. pero wala nang available. There is also a limited on-site parking. That's why kung mas maaga kayong dumating, mas makaka-secure kayo ng parking spot.
Sana success, guys. See you later. Lower ground or sa baba. The ground area is for a la carte and the second floor is for a la carte also. Breakfast is at 7 to 11 a.m. and it's 1,300 net.
So let's check out their breakfast buffet menu.
Congee. Of course, may mga drinks na naman ulit. Guyabano and house blend iced tea. Water and calamansi ginger. Breads. Filipina goods. Yan. Quezon. Make your own fried rice and omelette.
Balay Dako Breakfast Buffet is also known for their customizable omelette and fried rice station, wherein chefs can prepare dishes to your liking. Make sure lang na when you enter the buffet area, unahin ninyo itong puntahan kasi sobrang haba na ng pila nito after. Staffs are friendly and accommodating also. Anything na kailangan mo, pwede mong lapitan yung staff and then dadalhin din nila sa table mo yung na-request mong food.
Sorted tuyo. Longganisa. Beef tapa. Daing na bangus.
Balay Dako offers a wide variety of breakfast. So, kung talagang heavy eater kayo, magbe-benefit talaga kayo dito kapag dito kayo ng breakfast buffet. So sa amin, ang overall namin for Balay Dako, yung location is accessible since along the highway lang siya. And yun nga lang, in terms of parking, medyo limited kaya talagang first come, first serve basis. Yung price niya, siya yung pinaka-expensive of all. It's 1,300 net. Tapos yung food naman, number 1 siya sa food namin since talagang wide variety of dishes to choose from and iba-ibang klaseng dishes talaga. So, number 1 si Balay Dako in terms of wide variety ng food selections. Okay, in terms of ambience naman, talagang medyo crowded talaga dito kay Balay Dako. Sobrang dami ng kumakain and kasi available lang siya during weekends. Plus, more on indoor kasi than the alfresco since yung alfresco nila caters to pets. Yung mga guests na merong pets na kasama. Yung mga staffs are all pleasing and accommodating. I-assist ka naman nila kung may mga kailangan ka in terms of the food and pwede din nilang dalhin yung food sa table mo. Pet-friendly rin yung restaurant, though recently lang meron silang issue with a dog, pet, na who wasn't allowed to enter the resto. Now, let us show you our food experience.
Baterol. Ay, sarap.
Ano yun?
Sarap. Baterol. Lapit mo. Sarap. Authentic baterol.
This roast beef is highly recommended. So if I were you, pagkarating nyo, isa rin to sa mga pilahan nyo dahil medyo mahaba din yung kanyang pila.
Thank you. That is carving curva. Yung carving. Super lambot. Okay.
Ano siya?
Ay, ang sarap. Ang sarap. Okay. All the food, Filipino food talaga lahat. Sobrang dami selection, sobrang dami kumakain. And pets allowed. So, pwede nyo dalhin yung mga pets nyo rito. Kahit mga malalaki kasi kanina, no?
Yeah.
May chow-chow, pero kailangan naka-diaper. So, you have to bring diaper sa pets mo. May keso sa loob, cheese roll.
Cheese roll.
Cheese roll, masarap. Ano pa? Malambot. Parang siyang ano.
Yeah.
So overall, masarap lahat ng food nila. Filipino food talaga, authentic. And though ang price niya is 1,300 for a breakfast, pero marami namang selections, kaya okay din. And worth it siya.
Okay naman.
Okay naman siya. Definitely a must try if you're going here in Tagaytay. So, they just offer breakfast buffet pero quality naman lahat ng food. Pinaka-try nyo tong cheese roll. Sa amin ang gusto namin cheese roll.
Yung omelette.
Yung omelette kasi make your own. Yung kansi masarap. And
Adobo
then,
flakes.
adobo flakes masarap. What else?
Ah, overall, masarap naman for a Filipino food, no?
Yeah.
Of course, yung kanilang baterol because I like baterol so much. Authentic baterol siya. And the taho. So, dinayo pa natin yung taho dito. Taho, okay siya. Overall, okay siya. A must visit place here in Tagaytay. Pero kailangan nyo lang agahan kasi nga masyadong madami yung queuing. Our next choice is bag of beans. Si Bag of Beans na main branch lang ang nag-o-offer ng breakfast buffet and they are located along Tagaytay Nasugbu Highway din near Mendez Crossing. So, accessible din siya since along the highway lang. Their parking is also wide pero of course kapag peak hours limited din and on a first come first serve basis. So, ang buffet nila is during weekends lang din and holidays at 6:30 AM to 10:30 AM. Pero nagpapapasok na agad sila ng mga around 6 AM. The ambience for the Bag of Beans main branch is very Instagrammable. So it's a combination of rustic wooden furnishing and vintage decor. Though this is not overlooking Taal, if you want one, they have branches at Splendido and Twin Lakes.
So this
Yun
is
nga
the
lang, hindi siya
Alacarte
buffet.
area.
Kahit na nag-o-offer si Bag of Beans main branch ng kanilang breakfast buffet on a weekends and holidays, they still offer a la carte on a separate area, same area din na malapit dun sa may
Instagrammable.
breakfast buffet. The price of their breakfast buffet is 1,098 net. So, tingnan na natin ang kanilang menu.
And on cake station, they can request for omelet or something. Puto at dinuguan. Sardines in tomato sauce. Seaweed buns. Breakfast sausage, mushroom, fresh corn, baked mac, and of course, thank you. Bread. Chicken and pork. So, let's taste the food. Yung bulalo nila may laman. So, para ka na rin. If you wanna taste here in Tagaytay, kasama na ka dito sa first time. But dito pa sa a la carte, cost 500 plus na. So, take advantage of the tapa here. We're gonna taste the corned beef.
Roast beef.
Roast beef ang may corned beef. Okay. Meron ka doon lasa. Para sa mahilig sa mga parang fresh na. Fresh na.
Anong sauce lasa? Luncheon meat. Pasha hardly ever good. No? Huh?
Trying the salmon. Big salmon. So ito naman nakita namin na breakfast
May isa.
buffet. May salmon.
Thank you.
Cheese roll guys, you have to try this kasi ito rin ang best seller na bakery ng Bag of Beans. Sobrang suki kami ng cheese roll na 300 plus na siya ngayon. No? Purple chocolate cake. Bigyan ko below-ba? Ay, actually, masarap talaga yung mga cake ng Bag of Beans kasi dito kami binibili ng cake. This is their bakery.
Nagbebenta rin si Bag of Beans ng mga breads and coffee dito sa kanilang bake shop. You can also purchase yung cheese roll and of course yung pinaka-famous nila na raisin bread. So overall, for Bag of Beans, in terms of location, accessible naman since along the highway din siya. And somehow marami rin naman ang parking na available. For the price, it's 1,098 net. So, reasonable enough for the food selection na ino-offer nila. And yung food nila, if you are really into desserts, sweets, cakes, must try dito sa area na to kasi marami silang, of course, ang Bag of Beans is sikat talaga sa mga breads nila. So, okay din yung mga Filipino food nila, most especially yung tapa. And then, they also have baked salmon here. So, dito lang merong ganong baked salmon. Tapos, ang kanilang beverage is really fresh juices. And masarap din yung kanilang coffee and hot chocolate. In terms of the ambience naman, so like what I mentioned, more on a rustic yung kanilang theme dito na garden setup. Pero, every spot is Instagrammable. Tapos yung staffs are all pleasing and accommodating naman. And this is a pet-friendly restaurant. So, matanggap sila ng mga pets pero sa alfresco area lang nila. And kailangan naka-diaper. And now, it's Rosario by Vikings. Rosario by Vikings is located along Tagaytay, Nasugbu Highway, so very accessible pa rin. Right in front of Summit Hotel, and if you're coming from Rotonda, Tagaytay, it's on the left side. They offer breakfast buffet during weekends and holidays from 6:30 to 11 a.m. So very wide parking then as you can see.
Sobrang lamig. It's February 24. Super duper lamig. We were going to check their breakfast.
This restaurant is also a pet-friendly restaurant, so you can bring your pets or fur babies and dine with them at their alfresco
Hi,
area.
good morning. Hi, good morning.
The staffs are also friendly and accommodating, so pagpasok mo pa lang, mabatiin ka ng lahat.
Sige.
The price of their breakfast buffet is 1,067.50 net.
Hi, good morning. So, ang main dish nila, stir-fry veggie, noodles, sweet and sour fish, bangus, meatloaf, chicken with olives, tapa of course, tocino, corned beef, pork adobo, sausage and peppers. We have Phyllis egg. They also have pawis. Shark fin. Ano to kuya? Asado?
Yes, ma'am. Ubi pao.
Okay. And this one.
Siomay.
Conchi, ube champurrado, and lomi. Substation. At ang mga bread. Yep. Peanut butter. Spread for the bread. Tinataong bilo-bilo mo. Salad station. Hi, good morning. Okay, so dito yung mga egg station kung gusto nyo magpaluto. Dami rin mga choices. And then yung ano nila, fruits, fresh fruits. They also have waffle. Kasama rin to sa buffet. Desserts, ang dami. Sobrang dami. Parang sobrang dami ng ano nila. Sobrang sulit dito actually. Sobrang lamig. Super nice to
They have a huge alfresco area, so you can opt to dine here or sa loob, but this one kasi they can actually cater to 100 people dito sa kanilang alfresco area.
Here this morning. Meron pa sa taas. Sa taas, nandun yung mga drinks. Drink a must-try area here in Tagaytay. So, everyone heading south this weekend or sa mga susunod na araw, it's a must to try this one. Kaya lang, they are just offering breakfast buffet ng weekends and holidays. So, you can also have your reservations para at least hindi kayo maubusan ng oras. So, dito mo makikita yung mga drinks. Any type of drinks, coffee, Baterol, Tablea.
So overall, for Rosario by Vikings breakfast buffet, yung location niya, maganda yung location. Although ang kanilang breakfast is on the weekends lang, from 6:30 to 11. Yung price niya is reasonable enough dahil maraming selections. Ito actually, yung sa food nila, sila ang next to Balaydaco sa dami ng selections ng Filipino food, Western, and kung ano-ano pa. Ang ambience nila, of course, makikita nyo naman, very breathtaking since it's also overlooking Taal and has the largest alfresco setup. And like what I mentioned kanina, this is a pet-friendly restaurant. And there you have it, guys, our top 5 breakfast buffet here in Tagaytay.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and
hit that notification bell for more updates.
bye!